What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We got a sick one coming for you guys today. We got a JDM grill, front grill, coming to the wifey's whip, to M's whip, to the 17 STI. So let's jump into it. We're gonna have to move Scooby, get that out of the way, move the Corolla, pull Sylvie in, start taking the bumper off, and see how this grill works out. Hopefully we're gonna be able to use this stock STI logo and just rebolt it onto the new grill, but let's get to it, boys. Off this hood, off the trunk. All right, guys, so we're already in November. We got to take advantage of this freaking beautiful day. No one?
Yes, sir.
How
75 degrees outside, maybe less.
Literally in November. Oh my god, I can't get this open because I'm holding my cup. It's actually incredible, insane. So we got to take advantage of that. Let's start installing this grill. We're gonna start taking the front bumper off and getting this bad Larry on there. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you, got just a few bolts, screws that you have to unscrew, super rusted over here, and then obviously you unscrew the STI badge, and then it's just clips that you pop out from the OEM grill, and we'll get that new baby in there. So your fingers all right, buddy?
Never been better.
Screw those clips, but we got it out. That actually is pretty aggressive. Some hello horns. But we're taking the STI badge off. Let's unbox this thing.
That's good to know that it is like that, so we can move that.
Let's put up both grills and show you guys the difference. Oh yeah. Nothing crazy, but instead of having this up top, it's just all We got the new grill on with the badge. It does look sharp. So let's get this bumper back on and finish this video up. Newer style a little bit, not gonna lie. Definitely a much more JDM look. We're gonna grab the VIN number to this car and we're gonna order that part now. We're gonna paint match it. We're gonna get a new tow hook cover to get this front bumper, you know, looking mint. And I'm thinking Em's gonna make some new emblems and maybe we're gonna change the banner to a different color and might be rocking a new color scheme on this thing soon. So keep an eye out to the channel. Thanks for watching. If you're liking all the videos and you're liking all the content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.